I'm not sleeping very well. My concentration gone to hell. I've fallen under some ancient spell. Must be the gypsy in you. If you're not looking for a game.
All right, morning. It's a beautiful morning. I didn't get sunrise, unfortunately, a bit too surrounded by the trees, but slept well. Apart from there was this dog barking. I don't know where from, because we're in the middle of the forest, but for about an hour, just ruff, ruff. I don't, either a dog or like a massive duck, I'm not sure. But yeah, it was freaking me out a bit. He done it for about, maybe about half an hour, and then stopped for about an hour. Then I woke up about 2. I was doing it again. Like, there's no houses or anything around here, so I don't know. I didn't get attacked though, so that was good. But yeah, just having a coffee, have a quick spot of brekkie, pack up the tent and go. I think it's about 6:30, so 7:30 on the road. And yeah, final leg of the journey. Looking forward to it. All right, let's do it. Welcome to day 4, the final day of the long walk home. It's 8 o'clock, packed up. I chilled out for a little bit, dried the tent off. It was a bit damp from last night. Cyclist just went past me. I saw the same guy last night, so he either thinks I'm really slow or I've just been camping out. But yeah, feeling good. Had a bit of brekkie, a couple of cups of coffee. The sun's up. So 30 kilometers to go, and then I'm home. So next stop really is Dorking. I think it's about 10k away, maybe a bit more. So that's where I'm going to get some lunch and that. Might stop before that. But yeah, anyway, all right, let's go for a walk. Love it.
Starry night.
Just going to fill my bottle up.
On the right. Clear skies, not ice. Hazy tears, cloud side. Crystal cold, ever still. Heart breaks. Always we wait. We wait. We wait. We wait. Waiting as you gasp for breath. Waiting as your heart beats too fast. Waiting as your body breaks. Waiting as you separate.
So I know I just done a scenery shot, but come on, every time you come out into the open, you're just met with this. Oh, sorry about the camera. You're just met with this. Absolutely stunning. It's just gone 9 o'clock. There's a few people out walking and cycling. Everyone wants to chat. Wants to know what I've been doing, where I've been sleeping. So yeah, I can finally say that I'd put the tent to use. But yeah, beautiful morning. What a way to start the Saturday. I'm only about 4.5 kilometers in, I just checked. So just over 25 to go, but enjoying it. And also it's coming to an end today, you know, and it feels a bit sad. I've got to go back to normality and do some work after this. But yeah, we'll try not to think about that, but just enjoying the views. The amazing Surrey Hills, absolutely beautiful. Right, they're definitely making these gates too small. Oh yeah. Oh, only just about.
What's this? Not a clue. Ooh. Well, can't see a way in. Almost tried digging it out. Maybe something for another day. Alright, I found another one. I don't really know what's inside. Not much. Maybe they're for like watching wildlife or something. No time for me to do that today though. We've got some miles to cover. Alright, it's in a bit of a steep climb here on a little ridge. Some guy just come flying past on his mountain bike. Haha, braver than me. This is pretty cool. Alright, a bit of a steep drop off down there. Haha, stick to the path. Stick to the path. Just stopped for some food. I'm down to a tiny bit of bread and butter and a couple of what are they called? Like cereal bars. More out for water, but yeah, I need to start planning on stopping to get some lunch. I'm still on the North Downs Way and it just doesn't go near any towns. You can see everything down there. That's where all the shops are. But obviously, I'm right up here on top of the ridge. So I might have to take a detour. This will keep me going for another hour or so. But yeah, food is on the cards. Maybe look for a pub or something, find some somewhere to have some lunch. But yeah, anyway, sit back, enjoy the view. Don't know if you can see that. I took a wrong turn. I thought I could walk my way out of it. No chance. It's a big valley down there, and that's what I need to cross. Tut tut tut. It's only about 7-8 minutes out of the way, so 15-minute detour, I guess. Never mind. Right, we're at Box Hill. Wow, this is the steepest climb I've done all trip. Haha, it's killing me. I'm bent over double like a giant tortoise or something. All right. No time for talking. Just getting to the top now. Have a look down. That was insane. You see that probably? Straight up. No messing around, no switchbacks. Straight up the hill. But on the plus side, I'm at the top of Box Hill, which means it's all downhill back to my house. Take the small wins. And then straight back down again. Come on, maps. What the hell? Breathe in. Crazy. We were hiding under the tree. We're expecting rain. I mean, come on. Are you serious? What the hell? This is insane. Not what I need. 4 days in. That was tough. That was tougher than the hill before. Oh God. I hope I haven't
I damaged my thighs up those steps. Alright, sit down and water if needed. The dead forest. Craziness, look at this. Something out of Narnia. Oh, we're getting close to home. Right, that racket you can hear up there is the M25. Haha. So, officially into Greater London now. I reckon maybe 2 hours, 2.5 hours, and then we are home. So yeah, almost there. Let's do it. Epsom Racecourse. Probably too far away here. That's London over there. There's Wembley in the distance. Alright, 6 o'clock. Saturday evening. This is the final path, at least to my house. Not too bad. Wednesday morning, 11 o'clock I set off. So 4 days, 3 nights. 112 kilometres, 75 miles. I'm pretty impressed with that. It's been good. Hurting again now. 30k is too much to do in one day. But we made it back. Chill out tonight now, which is lovely. Until the next one. So yeah, the Boomtown adventure is over. All right.